So this is Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday, the 16th of January. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they may likely go. So, on the 15th, we did see prices come down, test this 88.74, which was a weekly pivot marked out here in blue. We've had a move upwards. We didn't quite test this 89.14, which would have been the next logical step. What we have seen is prices stall somewhat, which is a bit of a concern if you are a Euro Pound bull. And what we could see here is potentially, it's not ideal. It's not an ideal setup for a head and shoulders pattern here. We have stalled out in around that 89.10 again. So if we were to say this was a head and shoulders pattern, so we've got our shoulder over here, got the other shoulder there, we've got a head. So we've had a pull up. There we are. There's our head and shoulders pattern. So we've got the head, shoulder, shoulder. So we should see a breakdown in prices, possibly down to 88.51, possibly even down to 88.20 if we do have a bearish head and shoulders pattern and playing out here on the Euro Pound. What we are seeing is we've come down to 88.74, found support. We've had this somewhat indecisive price action. We've not seen much conviction for a test of 89.14. We're operating in the shadow of this very bearish candle here. So we'll see our prices. We do appear to be heading downwards. So we might see our price racked around this 88.74. The fact that we have tested 88.74 on a couple of occasions now. We've tested it there as well. Frequency of test, possibly looking for a break. We do have to be aware of the 200 and 400 period moving average confluence just down here, marked out in blue. Is a 200 period moving average, and the black line is pretty much the 400 period moving average. We did come down in around that area and found support previously, found resistance of the 200 period moving average there. So we'll have to see our prices reacting around 88.74 and the 200 and 400 period moving average, a breakdown from which we're looking for 88.51. Major level marked out here in red. We have seen some buy side momentum more recently come off this 88.51 level. And again, we'll be looking for potential buy side momentum to come back into the market from there. If, however, we do break down from 88.51, the very next level that we are looking at is this weekly pivot in around this 88.20, where we did see prices oscillate before we did see some buy side momentum re-enter the market. So that's pretty much everything in regards to the... No, it isn't. So again, if we do have that head and shoulders bearish chart pattern play out, we are looking to see prices head down towards that 88.51. We've previously found support, break from which we are looking for 88.20. Now, if we do see a break to the upside, if we do head up towards that 89.14, a brief pullback or consolidation in around this 89.14, we are looking for a possible move to the upside. Again, testing 89.14 frequently over a short period of time, possibly looking for a break. So if we do have the upside break on the euro against the pound, we are looking for the Euro Pound to head towards 89.45, which is a weekly pivot, which proved problematic in the past. So we'll see our prices racking around that 89.45. A break of which, the very next level, I wouldn't expect it coming into focus unless there is quite a lot of market volatility, is 90.24, which in 2017 proved very problematic for the Euro Pound in terms of its upside move. So 90.24 to the upside. And again, to the downside, we've mentioned 88.20. So beyond 88.20, we've got 88 and possibly 87, 83. And pretty much those are all the levels that we are looking at on the Euro Pound. So thanks for watching.